Welcome back, team. First, we start writing about task 3.5, which is like a small theoretical work where we do literature review research and we write 500 words about creating a good dashboards. Okay, so this is very important because it is very important because to create a visual dashboards, visual designs, creating the design, like how the design looks, is very important. Maybe using the color, using the font, using the type of the infographics, and these all are very important. If you don't use better infographics, it cannot create proper meaning to the people. So before speaking about all these things, let me show you what is a basic dashboard look like. So this is a sample dashboard that is taken from the Google images. Okay, this dashboard is created for page views, like maybe a social media, Facebook or like Twitter. Three different types of social media followers for XYZ organization is considered, and it is observed that what how many followers or likes on Facebook, Twitter, and I guess this is Instagram. Okay, and what is like every day, how what kind of value is seen for subscription and unfollowing, like unsubscribe the YouTube videos or something like that. And these all are some data related to the activities that are conducted for the organization. When we see these information, if you see that number of people who unfollowed YouTube or unsubscribed YouTube, it can be observed here, and we can understand maybe some issues happening, and we need to make some appropriate strategy, create some appropriate strategies to keep our customers. In that way, we will be deciding and day-to-day happening activities, and that should be observed by the managers, and needed decisions should be made. So this is how we create a dashboard which speaks which speaks based on the data that is available with us. So here if you see, it is a unique color, and we see that there are different types of fonts that are used, and it also contains different types of graphs, charts. I call this is a bar chart, and this is a bar chart, line chart, and area chart. This is different types of charts they have used, and it shows like whether the increment increased or decreased options in that way. So for example, if you take like a regular dashboards, like Tableau dashboards, they look like this. So this complete page is created by using Tableau, and this is related to the COVID information, and you can see how a dashboard is created. These red zones shows that these are heat maps, and based on the size, if the size is small, the number of cases is small. If the size is big, number of cases is large. And the coloring, based on the coloring, heat maps, and or arranging things on order, and using different colors, fonts. Like we don't want to speak about how we are ordering the data, but we speak about what kind of colors are appropriate, and why this design is best. In that way we decide. Okay, so this is the info, this is a dashboard. Okay, so to design this dashboard, we need to use what appropriate charts should be selected, appropriate text, appropriate color backgrounds, layouts, arrangements of different things. See, this is total cases confirmed, and this is related, like how we arrange it. You can arrange this one maybe here, you can arrange it here or somewhere else, but this is the best way. He, like the person who developed this, they thought that this is the best way to develop, so they created in that way. Okay, you just cross check by clicking on the link that you have. See, here you have some link is provided here. It is content written by maybe Stephen Few, so he is considered as a guru of designing dashboards. So his suggestions are provided in that link. Okay, by using that information, you can create this section. Okay, mostly depend on the content that is in the website. Otherwise, I suggest is, because we are creating around 10 to 15 reports, and there are number of people who are creating the same kind of reports. So I suggest you just cross check that information from the Stephen Few's website, and use some other sources too to finish this part. Okay, this part should be finished between 400 and 500 words with proper referencing, and it is Harvard AGPS referencing. Okay, right guys, continue it. Okay, by the time you finish it, you get videos for all other tasks. So for other tasks, it is a like a direct activity we do. Like I will be explaining something, you understand it and simply write it. Okay, need not to do any like further research according to me. Okay, it's a basic thing for each. Very easy task it is. So finish this one as quick as possible. By the time you get all other questions, and straight away follow my videos and finish all the questions. All right, guys. Thank you. Happy learning.